So welcome back. We're going to continue work with graphing linear equations. Again, linear equations, we have this two variable concept, where probably more commonly the x and the y as our variables. So we want to graph 2x minus y equals 6. The way we graph this is we're looking for solutions to this equation. Our goal is to actually find 3 solutions that satisfy this equation. For me, the first thing I would do is looking at this, I like this 2x. If I could make this disappear, I could probably see 2 times 3 is 6. So what I'm picking up on then is, if I say 2 times 3 minus 0, that should give me 6. Because 2 times 3 is 6, 6 minus 0 is actually 6. Keep putting 0 there. So yeah, that would actually be 6. So what I'm picking up on is, if I pick x to be 3 and y to be 0, that's going to make this a true statement. So I'm going to put that in my little t-chart. So 3, 0 would be an answer. That was easy enough. I do know that if you multiply by 2, you're going to get an even number. So I really need to pick up on that. I really need to make y an even number as well. So suppose I pick, say, x to be 4. 2 times 4 is going to be 8. 8 minus what number is going to give me 6? Well, 8 minus 2 would give me 6. So what I picked up on is, if x is 4, y has got to be 2. So 4, 2 would be a solution. Because 8 minus 2 does give me my 6. Well, I may as well see what happens here. Just pick 5 then. 2 times 5? 2 times 5 is 10. 10 minus what number gives me 6? Well, 10 minus 4 would give me 6. So that means I picked x to be 5 and y was 4. So 5, 4 would also be a solution. So I've achieved my goal. And we know that if you have linear equations like these, if the equation looks like this, our solution should form a line. So if I plot these 3 ordered pairs, they should look like they're going to pass through the same line, or be connected by the same line. So 3, 0, I plot that ordered pair. That's on the x-axis. 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, up 2 would be about here. So 4, 2, and 5, 4. 5, and then up to 4. So 5, 4. So once I plot those 3 points, what I want to do now is draw the line through those points. So it's probably a good idea to use some type of straight edge. See if I can do a little better job this time. Last time I didn't do really very well. See if this helps out a little bit. Notice how those points do line up. I'm feeling pretty good that this is the correct solution because they should line up. So what I do is I draw myself a little line passing through those points. And notice how I've extended the line through those 3 points. I didn't just stop there. Also, you need to put arrows on the ends because what those arrows tell me that the solutions keep going on and on forever. So I've identified 3 points on the line, but any point on the line is actually going to satisfy this equation. And that's what we mean by working with linear equations. So find 3 solutions, put the solutions in a table, we plotted the solutions, and we drew a line. And again, the line represents the graph. So see if that helps. Stay tuned. We'll probably do one more example like this.